How can you install Google Meet on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, you might be joining your meetings through a link or through a web browser, but it's actually much better to do it through an app. So you need to locate your app store, which is the icon like this. You can see it has the A on it, and in there literally just look up the Google Meet, right? So you should be able to see the get button. You just do this, click on get, confirm it by scanning your face or typing in your Apple ID password, and the Google Meet app will be then downloaded to your device, right? And once you just open it up, you'll be required to just log in and sign in with your Google account, like perform some of the basic things at first. It might ask you to give it permission to access your camera and a microphone, which is of course necessary for video calls. So just do that and you'll then be able to join your meetings and even create your own ones without the need of using web browser or clicking on links, right? Because you have a dedicated app for it, and that's the whole point behind it. So let me know if you managed to make it work on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.